So it's Snaker, I got you guys again, and I just wanted to just quickly come back to you guys and share with you some of the things that I've been doing in my wardrobe. I haven't been posting much because I really haven't been shopping much, okay? And I've been just purchasing little pieces here and there so that I can start to create and build the wardrobe that I've always wanted. And part of it is because I'm like, I want to just level up my style and just be able to pick things from my wardrobe and be like, yes girl, you look good, you look really good. So the first thing that I wanted to do was get the bag that I always wanted. I am a person that believes that a staple bag is really good for your entire wardrobe. It can put together your whole entire outfit. I wanted this leather bag for a while from this brand. I'm gonna leave the link down below. I was able to purchase this for under $200, which is quite a steal because this leather gets better and richer as the time goes on. So it is an investment piece. I don't mind spending the money if it's an investment piece, if I know that I'm going to wear it often enough to justify it for me. Next thing I wanted to do was to level up how my outfits looked. I work in a corporate environment. I work for a corporation. Majority of us do at one level or another. And I wanted my outfits to look better. I have just classic pieces that I feel like that I can wear interchangeably. So wearing flats sometimes can kind of bring down the look of the outfit, and that's not the route we're going. We want to go up. So I was looking for pointy heels, all in black or another neutral color, and I wanted a practical heel that when I'm walking up and down stairs, subway stairs, trains, or even on the floor at work, in and out meetings or whatever, I felt comfortable, and I got each footwear all cost under $50 each. I'm gonna leave the links down below so where you can go to find out where I purchased them from and how you can also obtain them. First footwear shows you what I was looking for, pointed heels, because I feel like with the pointed heels look a bit more classic and timeless, and also they elongate your legs. So I have a practical heel length. I've gotten compliments on this one. The next one I've also purchased was these heels. And what I like about these first ones is that I can see myself wearing these all year round. Also with the other ones, but I know I would have to be like in a car or switch them in and out. I can see myself wearing these in the winter without any issues, without having to switch them in and out with like sneakers and things like that, because of the heel and this type of sidewalks that we have here in New York City. The next heel that I have is I don't feel it's practical for me to go to work in, but it's definitely a heel for you to go out with the girls, to go on a date, to go to church. It's definitely the stunting heel. This heel is not a heel that I would wear to work because it's not practical for me, but it's that nubuck material. All of them are in that nubuck material, by the way, so definitely gotta clean them. So and it's not as pointy, nor is it as round. It's more of like a narrower kind of front, but it's not completely pointy, nor is it completely round. I'm okay with this one as having it in my closet. I think it is good to just look at the footwear that you guys have, how it can elevate your style, and actually wear the things that you have in your closet, guys. Wear the items that you have in your closet, so that you can just dress up for yourself and do it for yourself and enjoy just looking cute at all times. Share with me how you are leveling up your style, or are there certain things that you're tackling when it comes to your wardrobe so that you can build your classic wardrobe the way that you would like, that's timeless. Let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys next time. Check out the links down below. Later.